Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. If you ask me about my go-to comfort food, I would say Dal Khichdi in an instant. Now it's very satisfying because it's very light and it's also very quick and easy to make. Now today I'm going to share a very classic Dal Khichdi recipe. We're going to make it with Moong Dal. So let's get started and check it out. For the Dal Khichdi, I've taken half cup of Basmati rice. Wash the rice a few times, pour enough water and soak it for 30 minutes. I've taken half cup of moong dal. Wash it nicely, pour enough water and soak it for 30 minutes. So we have taken equal proportion of rice and dal. After 30 minutes, transfer the soaked rice and dal to a pressure cooker. Pour enough water so that the rice and dal is completely immersed in water. Add a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything well. Pressure cook on medium flame for about 3 to 4 whistles. The rice and dal mixture is cooked beautifully. Now that the dal and rice mixture is ready, keep this aside. We're going to start making the khichdi. To the pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. So ghee will give you a nice flavor to the khichdi. To the pan, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf and a small piece of cinnamon. To the pan, add a piece of ginger finely chopped, a few cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. So once the onions have become transparent, add 1 large tomato finely chopped. Saute the tomatoes for about a minute or so. Next, add all the spice powders. First, season it with half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon hing and half teaspoon garam masala powder. Just mix everything. So you can see the tomatoes have become nice and mushy and all the masala has blended well with onion and tomatoes. So now I'm going to add the cooked dal and rice. If you feel the khichdi is too thick, you can always dilute it to get the right consistency by adding a cup of hot water. So finally, I'm going to finish up by adding a teaspoon of ghee and some finely chopped coriander leaves. You can see how delicious this dal khichdi is. It's a very quick and easy recipe and it's got a lot of flavor. So here is this delicious dal khichdi which is so wholesome and it's very filling. You can enjoy it as is or with some pickle and papad by the side. It's a great comfort food and a must try, guys. For more delicious recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. Wow, look at that dal khichdi. It's so delicious and so comforting and even the color is so warm and satisfying. Now this is a very quick and easy and very light recipe that you can make at home, especially when you're very hungry, and it doesn't require any specific side dish. You can enjoy it with some nice pickle or some papad by the side. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.